Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to bulk monetize videos on YouTube using a Mac computer in the year 2026. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, and videos that we have uploaded to the platform. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this way for that to load. Now let's go to YouTube Studio by a shortcut within bookmarks. Top right corner, click on YouTube Studio, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to content. Let's now filter monetization. All videos that have not been monetized, click on apply. We now can, let's go filter views to the most viewed videos that are not monetized. In this tutorial, you need to remember two things. You need to be part of the YouTube partnership program, and you need to have videos uploaded to the platform. So now let's scroll through all these videos that we have on screen, and we want to now select on all, then go to edit, and then go to monetization. Be sure your videos comply with the advertiser friendly guidelines. If you're not sure, turn on monetization for each video separately. Intentionally misrepresenting your content can lead to your channel being reviewed by the partnership program eligibility. So you have to be very, very careful when it comes to monetizing content online. The guidelines have come into play, and they are now very cautious in regards to what is being monetized on the platform. If your channel revolves around technology, science, anything that is not to do with causing an issue, great. Let's now update the videos. Are you sure you're about to update the selected videos? This cannot be stopped once that has started. I understand the implications of this action. Click on that, update the videos. We have now 30 videos being bulk monetized on the platform. It's safe to navigate away, wait before making another bulk update, and we should see that all monetization for these 30 videos have been successfully updated at the same time and are all being monetized at the same time. So we can now click on X, unfilter for monetized videos, and let's now filter for monetized videos to check how many monetized videos we actually have on the platform, which is about 588 monetized videos for the YouTube channel Computer Science Videos. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's all this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.